partake, I take in your shoes. That is why I know feel tired, I know feel retire. I pull up your right, best of your design. Yeah, for your purpose, yes, you created me. For your purpose, that is why I exist. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your own image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I know I can. I know I can, I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I can. I know I can, I can. I won't keep second guessing myself when you put me on the spot that I dwell. Made in your image, I'm a bone. Let me hear you say bone. Not by might, by your power in my life. The spirit is leading, the spirit is breathing, moving on my mind. Yeah. Wonderfully, beautifully made. Wonderfully, in your own image. Wonderfully, Lord, my life you separate for your glory. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Spirit in me makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. Makes me complete. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I can. I know I can, I can. I can go the distance with your assistance. I know I can, I can. I know I can, I can. Heavy laden, come with all your burden. Come and I will give you rest, yeah. I'll take all the suffering. Come, my yoke is easy. This is greener pastures right here.
Pops on the beat.
Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my case, and I know one ever bring shame to your name, Nemo. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my case, and I know one ever bring shame to your name, Nemo, yeah.
So as you give me that, give me that, give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah. So as you give me that, give me that, give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah.
I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing, cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day it's working. I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing, cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day, man, it's working. This is all I want from you. I need it. Fill me till I overflow. I need it. Fill me with your praise. Put me in a space where you guide my steps every day. I need it. Yes, I need it. You know I need it. Can't do a thing without it. I need it. I said you know I need it. Oh. know bad man want to shunt my wrist up. Baba, you try for my kiss up. And I know one never be shame to your name, yeah.
Don't I call your name on the day. I did try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh, yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, oh, Lord. Lord, I call your name on the day. I did try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh, yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, oh, Lord.
Oluwa, give me your grace up. Cause I know bad man want to shunt my wrist up. Baba, you try for my kiss up. And I know one never be shame to your name, yeah.
Yeah, so I say, give me that. I don't go ever put you to shame. Yeah, so I say, give me that. I don't go ever put you to shame.
Mix Wonders Magic.
For every pain there's a purpose. Every dawn there'll be sunrise. See, that's just how it goes. Every story has a
What's up, everyone? What's up, chat? How you guys doing, man? A brand new day here, gang. What's up?
No need to cry. You will be fine. You'll smile again. Things will fall in line. No need to cry. You will be fine. You'll smile again. Things will fall in line. You've been waiting for a miracle to come your way. What the Lord has for you is beyond your wildest dreams. It's gonna work in your favor. It will work in your favor. As long as God is involved, oh, I've come to tell you, no need to cry. You will be fine. You'll smile again. Things will fall in line. No need to cry. You will be fine. You'll smile again. Things will fall in line.
What's up? How you guys doing? What up?
The ad guys told him.
What's up? Good afternoon. What up? Wow, meltdown here. Interesting. 500, 600 pip. Cool. How you guys doing, chat? What up? Shout out to 29 viewers. You guys are having a good day, man? Having a good week? Having a good trading week? Oh yeah, start of the month here. Yeah, I start off the month. Yeah, let's do the top down analysis in a few minutes here, chat. It's May already, huh? May already, chat. Oh. All right, all right. Let's do the top down analysis. Let's do the top down analysis. The music is okay, chat. Not loud or what? Type in the chat. If the music is okay. Music is fine, right? You still hit the music or no? The background music. All right, we good, we good. Yeah, let's do the top down analysis here. Let's start with the monthly time frame here, chat. So the monthly time frame here, as you can see here, we close bullish, right? Now, like I've told you last Monday, so the monthly time frame closed bullish. Now we're gonna look for more sells going to the downside because we need to see some bottom wicks on the monthly time frame, right? Enable for you to push up. As you can see, this wick fill, right? So this steeper bottom wick here. So this called steeper bottom wick. So we probably gonna see that the same on the monthly time frame here. So we probably gonna see minimum this zone. Once this candle react on this 3080 zone or probably 3000 zone, once you react there and volume, we have volume, we probably gonna flip that and then fill the range on the left hand side, fill the wick, right? So but right now we're gonna look for more sales because the weekly time frame here, as you can see, we close is still open, right? And then this weekly time frame, we anticipate that I told you guys yesterday that we have resistance, and then this weekly candle struggle to drive down further, right? It struggle to push down in the re-break the previous candle low. But as you can see right now, we see the re-break the previous candle low. Now we have volume, right? We anticipate the volume once you re-break the previous candle low there, right? So once you re-break that, you're gonna see that candle pushing down towards to the downside. But I believe the daily time frame here is move already 600 700 pips already, right? So 664 pips already on the daily candle. But the good thing here, the 4 hour is we got the breakout in the 4 hour time frame. So there is a lot of opportunities here because we have resistance to the left and this is our support, right? So as you can see now, we have breakout, right? This is the breakout already. So there is a lot of opportunity on the zone, right? There is a lot of probably gonna happen. You're gonna make a new structure here, bam bam bam, before driving down further down here, because right now we have support on the left hand side. We're tapping on the support here. So this is the support. So we tap, right? There's no rejection, there's no reaction. It's still on the range. But I don't know if this 4-hour candle will close bullish or bearish. But yeah, because as you can see, we anticipate the breakout. Now we need to see some retests here. So once we see some retests, right, this one, and then the candle flip, now we're good for driving down, right? We're good for driving down. But let's see here. I believe there is a high chance that you need to fill this range first, right? We need to fill this range on the price. So we probably gonna look to fill this range, or if we have clean traffic on the lower time frame, we're gonna get that. 1 hour here is right now, it's start to consolidate here, right? So as you can see here, once we have a breakout and then the price stock, so probably you will see that consolidation before have a direction once again, right? So 30 minutes time frame, yeah, it's ranging to this one. 15, probably it's the same. Yeah, it's printing, right, chat? It's printing now. Let's see if we're gonna get some trades today. But yesterday we got 2 trades, right? So you guys are good for this week. I believe you guys are having profit. Profit week, chat. Blessings, right? Blessings. So support here. Resistance up here. Let's see if we're gonna get some potential trade today. So yeah, this is my level so far, chat. Probably gonna look for buys once you close above, and probably gonna look for sells once you close below. We're in the support area here, but on the 30, yeah, it's a little bit choppy on the zone. Yeah, man. So waiting game here. We need to see some volume, chat. If you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Shout out to 38 viewers right now. Waiting, chat, waiting. Oh. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Let's remove the trades taken here. Let's see how many trades I got on the April. One, two, three, four. $34 trades. How many pip? Wow, 543 pips secure. Oh, I don't have any bias on news. Let's see. 7 hours ago, very good chance that we will make deal with China. Yeah, this is good for dollar right now. We are negotiating with South Korea, Japan, India, potential deals with India, South Korea, Japan. Trump, any deal with China has got to be in our terms. So, see, as you can see, the smile of Trump, right? So yeah, it's good for dollar. That's why the gold is pushing down. At the monetary policy meeting held today, the policy board on the Bank of the Japan decided by unanimous vote to see the following guys market money market operation of the bank carriage. 0.5%. Oh yeah, no volume on London here because of this holiday. Too many holiday here. Euro, German, Italian bank holiday. Unemployment claim 4:30 p.m. I don't know if this will give us impact here, but probably yeah. Unemployment claims. But tomorrow is NFE. This is gonna be fireworks on gold tomorrow. Hello, coach. What time start per session, coach? Depends where you are right now. If you're in Dubai, London session start. London Open start at 11 a.m. And NY Open at 3 p.m. NYSC 5:30 p.m. Yeah, that's Dubai time. How many trades we got? London 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 trades in the live chat. 20 trades in the live stream. Only one loss on April. 27 pip loss. W. What time does Asian session start in Dubai? 4 a.m. This is the good thing, Chow, on journaling because you need to track the records that you have. This is gonna help you for the long term. If your mindset is long for longevity, this is gonna help you to grow as a trader because you're gonna adapt on your data, which which is not working, which setup is not working, which entry is not working, and then from there you're gonna develop. You're gonna have an adjustment. So for me, do the journal, man. Don't focus on making money. Focus on developing the skills. Focus on the process. I'm doing this chat for 1.5 years now, almost 1 year and 8 months. I'm doing this kind of work. No volume here. Hello, coach. I'm new to the sessions. What time session should be aware of? Where are you from? Yoshi here. So you're from probably from Japan. Yeah, you can start with the Asian session or London because London session I believe what time is that there 5 p.m. Yeah, 4 p.m. Yeah, London session start there 4 p.m. So if you're waking up early, the Asian session start there at 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. Give me a second, chat. Yo, shout out to 46 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, right? Like the stream and subs to the channel. No volume now, chat. The volume came on the Asian session. Waiting game. Patience. Chat, if you have more questions, you can drop in the chat. Mm-mm. What happens when London sessions start? Nothing, bro. Moving off the candle. You just need to wait for the volume because session equals volume. You just need to wait for the volume. You just need to wait for the market structure. You just need to wait for the clean entry. Ano ang confirmation for entry? There's no confirmation yet. I need to wait for some closure, probably above for buys. Once we see closure above, it's good for buying up. To retest resistance on the left. But no closure, no trades. And for sales, probably gonna look for more structure because I have only 30 pip range here, and on the downsides a little bit choppy here, so I don't want to touch anything on this area. 4 minutes for closure on the 30. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Shout out to 50 viewers right now. No volume, huh? 83 pip range. That's nice. Koi, why does news affect the stock market? Yeah, some of them, they're gonna... Trump doing the manipulations there. We don't know. Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows nothing if you're trading stock. I don't know, man. I'm not trading stock. I just trade gold. Wow, push up here, huh? Very nice. Stock are going to recovery time. So the stock market is recovering here, chat. Recovering now. Once you see this last month, right? You see that dumping. Now it's recovering, man. Massive recovery here. 3,538 pips. Recover. US 30 the same too. Boom. So probably stocks and crypto is the same. How they gonna do the, because as last month, as you can see, we're dumping too. The same with the stock market, right? We're dumping. Now it's recovering here from the melt, from the downfall here. Recovering now. So all the investment probably gonna push through high. The same with the gold. But the thing here on the stock market is they need to manipulate somehow, because they want to make money too, right? US market, they want to make money too. So I heard about this news last month that some of the people are scared to buy the stock market now because of this dumping, like 5% dumping last month. But as you can see, it's fully recovered right now. Right? It's back in the range now. So yeah, there too many people are, millionaires once again here after recover of this stock market. They're making a lot of money in here. Yeah, you can if you if you're watching YouTube, or if you're Gonna check some podcasts there talking about stock market, how they're earning a lot of money in stock market. So you should guys watch some podcasts about stock market, about trading, how they become millionaire, for some motivation stuffs. No closure below your chat. No trades for us yet. Probably gonna wait for this 4 hour closure. 4 hour closure. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat, alright? It's not all about trades here. You need to learn. It's not all about trades every day, right? It's not all about how I'm taking trades. So sometimes I'm not taking trades if the market doesn't show up anything to me. I'm not gonna touch, I'm not gonna participate. But yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me, man. Coach, are there times that you find a confirmation but not confirmation turn out going to a different? Yep, it happen all the time, right? That's why you need to adapt. For example, if you're gonna trade against the trend, and sometimes it happen. For example, I'm gonna give you some, for example, bullish closure or bullish bang. Then suddenly breakout, right? This is breakout, and then we're gonna buy on the next candle. But what happened is this candle re-break the high and then push down. So it happened. We're gonna hit the stop here because this probably the fake out candle. It's gonna be the fake out candle to push down further down the next candle. Make sense? Coach, are you millennial? Yeah, I'm millennial. I'm still young, brother. I'm just 22 years old. Yeah, like late candles. Yeah, late candles happen when the late candles happen when you see volume, right? When you see volume, but when you see volume, late candles happen when you see volume. This is where we have volume, but the problem here is not closing above the range, and then the next candle, boom, push up. So basically, this is the late candle, and it's really hard to decide if you're gonna take buy here because you don't have any closure above, you don't have any confirmation, right? So you're probably gonna wait. If the bus came full, you cannot ride on that bus because it's full. This is the full bus. You cannot ride. Next, wait for the next bus. Makes sense. And did you develop or learn how to handle trading loss better and not feel this? I still find it hard. One to two trades. Once you lose two in a row, call it a day. Yeah. And if you're in the losing streak, make sure you lower down your lot size. Make sure you lower down your risk, because once you lower your risk, you need to have a momentum, right? You need to have a momentum. You need to have a win streak once again to have confidence, right? If you have a confidence to trade once again because you're winning, now you can go up your lot size. And make sure you guys know how to do the trade management. Like if you have any setup, make sure you know how much you're gonna risk on that setup. If that's really a plus setup, you can risk 1 to 2%. If that's like 50-50 a plus setup, you can lower down your risk, or you can use dynamic risk, right, for that trade. Do you use the Sage Master, Coach? Yeah, before we use that. But I'm focusing on my trades. Sage Master is good if you're busy. If you're working, if you have um working in the office, you don't have time to trade. Sage Master is really good because you don't need to worry about the trades for the day. The Sage Master will take the trades for you. Mm-mm-mm. No volume here ranging because holiday on the Euro, Italian bank holiday, German bank holiday. Yeah, let's wait here close above. This better setup, chat. Once we see this, like for example, like this, and then some bearish closure once again, and then bullish close above the range. Man, this is a really good setup to take buy above to push up further. Are you guys up this week? Are you guys making profit this week? Yes or no? Drop in the chat. How much profit you make this week, chat, in USD? I actually gain losses, but took that as a yep. Every loss is a lesson. As newbie, I got $639 already. Wow, man. W. Make sure you withdraw some. Make sure you withdraw some. You withdrew $200 and treat your friends, treat your family, bro. Celebrate your small wins. To feel right, to have motivation. What's the recommended it depends. For me, I withdraw depends on the percentage. Like if you gain percent for me, I'm basing on the percentage that I'm making per week and per month. So for example, I make 10%, I'm gonna withdraw 5% probably, or I'm not gonna withdraw anything, I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna compound the capital inside my account. It depends you. Depends how much you wanna risk. Do you wanna withdraw? Sorry. You guys need to withdraw because you need to feel that you're winning, right? You need to have a motivation. Buy small things. Buy some small things to yourself as a gift because you're hardworking. You work hard for the money, right? Or treat me. Oh, just kidding, guys. Last week, losing last week, but we moved this. Yeah, part of the game. Losing is a part of a game, and you need to adapt from the loss. For me, Cha, I'm basing on my loss because I need to be a good loser, right? That's why I need. For example, we got some trades and we got in drawdown. I need to manage my risk there somehow. Either I'm gonna lose small or I'm gonna lose more. I'm gonna lose small or I'm gonna lose more. If I got if I lose more, it's gonna be painful, right? So, yep. I believe too many winners this week. Too many winners this week. 17 minutes for the close on the 4 hour and 1 hour. 30 minutes close bullish, but the range here is tight. 21 pip, 20 pip. Too many wicks here too. Very dangerous. 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 Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, chat. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Is it okay to lose more? It's not okay to lose more, but man, you need to learn. You need to learn the strategy. So you need to learn some basic strategy. Right? You need to learn some strategy. What strategy are you using? And then go from demo first. If you're losing now, go for demo or go for funded challenge so that you cannot lose some more money. Because the challenge, your mindset there is you need to pass the challenge. So there is a emotion too. 15 close bearish. Okay. 25 pip range. No bueno. No buenos. No bueno. Consolidating. Chat, by the way, what broker using chat? What broker using? You can type in the chat. Yorante, Pew Prime, Vantage, Pew Prime, Xness. Why you're using Xness? Xness is nice, good, or yeah, Vantage. If you wanna use the Erante, we have, I believe we have 50% deposit bonus. If you wanna check it out, you can check out. I'm gonna send the link here. So that's the link. So if you want to check out, you can check out. That's for free. Check out the spread. Check out the platform. We have 50% bonus discount. Yeah. Coach, I don't really understand what leverage. Leverage is once you it's inside the broker, bro. Leverage is once it's like the same how you gonna borrow money into a bank to have a good position sizing on the trade, to have a to increase some lot size or the balance. That's the leverage. How you gonna use leverage? But if you wanna more, or if you wanna learn more about dip, you can search on Google. You can search on Chat GPT. You can ask help on Chat GPT. Printing side by side by side. Yup. Ang full leverage yung gamit nyo, 1 is to 500 leverage. Shout out to 56 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream here. Can I see 40 likes in your chat? 40 likes, man. Support to the channel. Right? Support to the channel, subs to the channel. Follow me on IG. If you want to learn more about trading, you can message me on IG or you can type in the chat right here. Support to the channel, my friends. Man, probably the volume will come around 3 p.m. here. NY open. I don't think we're gonna have a volume here, but let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. So if you have any questions, gang, type in the chat. Chat, like the stream, man. Like the stream. Gonna see 40 likes here. Like the stream. My friends, like the stream, bro. Support it, man. Support it. Be gratitude, guys. Be grateful. Support to the channel. No, no, bueno. Consolidating. Coach, do you sometimes overthink when you lose a trade? No. You don't need to overthink, bro, because you need to have a plan. You need to follow your plan. You need to execute the plan. You need to follow the playbook that you have, the strategy that you have. You need to follow that. Win or lose there is still W because you follow the plan. You follow your rules. Because if you don't follow your plan, if you don't follow your playbook, man, you're gambling there, right? So make sure if you wanna be a consistent trader, guys, even though you're still not making a profit, you need to build the trading plan, the playbook. So you guys need to follow that. So once you follow that, it's gonna be consistent. It's gonna be your routine, right? It's gonna be your routine every day that I need to see the setup enable for me to take the trade. If I don't see the setup, I'm not gonna touch anything in the chart. That's pretty simple, right? That's the trading, man. If you don't see any setup here, you don't need to overthink. If you lose the trade, you don't need to overthink because you follow your plan. It's all about plan, all right? Once you follow your plan, wait for the consistent, be consistent, man, the result will follow, all right? The result, even though you're not making profit, but the skills that you're gonna build is different now, right? For example, this month, May, now do some plan for this month. So I need to follow my plan. I need to follow the rules. I need to follow the setup. I need to take the setup if there's a setup. Okay. So from there, on the next month, now your mindset, your mind is become changed. All right. Once that, what after that, it's gonna be changed. Now it's good for being a consistent. Now if you're consistent, you will show, you will see some results. So once you see some results, now you need to be more consistent. You need to be aware on the losing, right? You need to be aware how you gonna, why you're losing there. So you're gonna adapt from the loss, right? Does make sense? That's how you're gonna, make a trading plan, make a rule, set some playbook, and then follow that. Because you need to understand trading is not all about buying and selling. Trading is all about business. It's all about consistent and longevity, right? It's not all about making money. It's all about the consistent. How you um how you gonna celebrate the wins and how you gonna celebrate the loss. Yeah, and you need to learn, guys, how to call it a day. Because right now, if you're winning this week, if you're winning, like probably you win, I see some $639 there. You're probably gonna call it a week, right? Because trading is just here. You can trade whenever you want, whatever you want, what time you want to trade. You can trade. But the question, how you gonna control the emotion, right? Emotion. W man, yeah. You need to build that consistency because for me, man, when I start trading, I don't care about, I don't care about trade. I took too many trades. I don't care, right? I'm winning. I'm over trading. I'm making money. Then, somehow the market, humble me. All the profit that I make, the market took that again. And then from there, realize that there's something wrong. So if there's something wrong, you need to check what's that. So you need to find a mentor. Find a mentor that can help you. Online mentor. So and better to watch some podcasts, guys. Watch some podcasts for you guys to learn and adapt. I believe I see some stories here. One of the best trader. Let me check here. Where was the Yeah, you can read books too. The link is in the description. Instagram is in the description. Let me check. No bonus for a chat. No bueno. 13, 15 minutes printing here. Where is that story? How about silver? I'm not trading silver. Silver is high spread, so stay away from silver. Oh, 4 hour open up, but we're stuck in the range. I don't want to touch anything here. No, no, no. No, no for me. No, no for me, gang. No buys, no sells, man. We're stuck in the range. This is range of death. So if you're probably gonna take sell, I wanna see like this, right? And then back in the ranges. Once you see back in the range, man, we're good for selling down to retest the low. Boom. But this one I'm not gonna touch. Let this candle drop for our close bullish. And any given time, this candle react here on the support. Once you react there, and probably gonna push up. Reaction zone over this now. 3229. But I don't want to take buy here, chat. I don't want to take buy. No buys for me. So if I want to take buy, probably want to see the next candle close above. Back in the range to take buy up. Like this. Or entry here, entry here. Yep. Or oh, reacted, nice. Let's see, man. 4 minutes for the close. Can you close below? And then the next candle will close above. How many pip this? Range 55 pip. Oy, wow. I'm tired, gang. Tired. Right, re-break of the low on the 1 hour. 4 hour reacted. Cool, yeah. It's gonna react there. Alright, boom, boom, boom. You see this coming, flipping. 4 hour flipping. 15 seconds here. No Benos. No closure below sure. No below sure. We're chilling today, huh? No trades, probably. Let's see. Still have time. 1:15 p.m. Still have time. Let's see, man. No below sure. You didn't close below. If this candle closed below, it's interesting here. And then the next candle will go back in the range. Man, this is cool to push up. So if this candle closed below, this is different scenario now. Right? This is different scenario now. Probably gonna push through down. But I don't wanna take sells below here because I have my major support here. Wicks, too many wicks on the left hand side. So probably gonna wait for some structure. So probably I've seen this a lot of time, right? When we have wicks on the left, too many wicks here, and we have volume into the market. See that closure below. Man, the next candle pops down here. We're gonna make a new wick, new low, because we're in the bearish trend. Boom. I've seen this too many times, but I don't want to touch anything here. It's very risky for me. Even though I've seen this a lot of time, but I don't want to touch, because still this particular zone, I don't have any edge on this. So I need to do more back testing on this one. I need to see some opportunities on this. Right, and then the setup that we always taking chat on the liquidity rejecting zone, that's really, really massive, really good trade, right? Once we see that the candle pushing down further like this, right? The candle is pushing down further 200 300 pips. Now it's good for buy. Why? You need to see some, wicks on the left hand side here. If there is a wick, like this candle topping, and yeah, like this candle topping this wick, man, I'm gonna take buy here, because I know the fact that this candle will reject here, because the logic here, this candle moved 200 or 300 pip already. I'm gonna take buy here. That's the advantage. We're gonna take 25 pips, 20 pips here. Boom, react. Right? And then probably 80 pips like the trade yesterday. I'm gonna look more on that trade if there is some massive volume. If we don't catch any move on buys or sell, and then we have volume pushing up, pushing down towards to the downside and to the upside, we're gonna take some opportunities on trading that rejection area. Yep, there's a lot of support here. For our support, yeah, we're in the for our support now. So you need to pay attention here on selling, right? So it's gonna be a little bit tough for our close above. So for our close bullish, right? So we might see like this re-break of the low on the 4 hour, and then go back in the range. Once we see that, there is a lot of opportunity to take buys, right? Because we have breakout here. We need to see some retest. So once you see the reaction here, now on the next 4 hour candle, 5 p.m., we're probably gonna see this pushing down further. And then this is the move the rest of the day. Because on the 30, we have clean move here. So we need to see some structure here before driving down. So somehow you need to go back here before driving down. Or if not, that's different scenario. That's different story, right? So we need to adapt on that. If this candle start to melt down now, that's different story. So we need to adapt here. Probably gonna take some cells on this zone to push down further. So chat trading is all about adapting, right? So if we have clean traffic here, if the price didn't go back here and then the price is pushed down further, now your job here is done. Your job on this range is done. You cannot take sales about back here. Now your next job is to adapt on this next structure, because you're probably gonna wait for some structure below this one. This structure here gonna make structure, right? But you need to wait for that. You need to wait for that. Waiting. Waiting. Yo, chat, if you have any questions, you can drop. Shout out to 45 viewers. Make sure you like the stream and subs to the subs. And follow me on IG. No Brenoski, chat. No Brenoski for us. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yeah, probably re-break the lows here. Say pop down here. See this re-break. Boom. Chat, can I see 40 likes here? We are 47 viewers in the chat. Can I see 40 likes in the stream? Like the stream. Alright, Melton. No reaction. Yeah, probably the next 15 gonna drop down here further. Shoop. Let's see. No, Tom. There is bottom wick. You guys got some trades? You got guys some sells here or what? Who got the sell here? I know some of you guys will see some sniper entry here. Who got the sells there, chat? You can drop in the chat. Don't be shy, man. Once we see 4 hour, yan na. Let's see. Oh. Oh, no one got trade, huh? You guys are having of patience and discipline today. Good, good. Mm-hmm. So now for me, I'm not gonna buy once the support. I'm not gonna take buy here. Once the support for, I'm not gonna take buy because we probably this is the fake out candle to push down further down. So I need to be safe here because this is range 2 already, chat. Right? This is your range 1. So coming in range 2 now. This is your range 2. So it's tough to take buy here. Once the support, it's pretty tough because you see move already. You have move, breakout. Once you see retracement, then push down further. That's some scenario. So yeah, no trades, no trades. We see, I want to see this melt down further. Once you re-break the previous candle low in the 4, will pop down. Boop. Oh. All right, re-break. Can you pop down now? Like, psst. We need to see some psst, like that. Some psst. Some psst, 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 psst. All right, man. Can you psst. Right there, chaps. Pushing down. Psst. Now pushing down. What you gonna do? Psst. Pushing down. What you gonna do? Pushing down now. What you gonna do, man? You gonna have a FOMO? What you gonna do, man? Right now. Oh, tired. Body pain. Chat, what you gonna do now, chat? The price is melting. What you gonna do now, chat? What you gonna do? You gonna do, huh? You gonna chase this move? Wait. Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait. Wait. The 1 hour move. Let's see how many people move. 140 is still good. This 1 hour can move 300 pips. Man, we never know here. This 1 hour can move 300 pips. So, yeah, no buys and sells. This 1 hour can do anything in 20 minutes. We don't have probability. So, stay away, not participating on this move. It's fine. We're going to come back later NY session. Or probably going to call it a day. Come back tomorrow. Yeah. Late candle. This is gonna be late candle because of some bank holidays here. Yeah. No need to rush the things. We're up this week, chat. We're up this week. How many wins we have this week? How many wins this week? 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, man. 6. Oh no. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. 4 trades W this week. $80 pip, man. We're up this week 80 pips. Right? We're up this week 80 pips. Melting down. No, I did not entry. I did not entry. Alright, man. I told you, chat. I'm gonna push down. Psst, psst, psst. Psst, 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 psst. Oh. Oh yeah, melting. Melting, melting. Oh. You reacted once again. Nice. So, as you can see, you re-break now once you react and you push up. Probably gonna see this today. Push up there, then retracement. Boom. Let's see in 12 minutes. Oh, this getting close. Oh. Give me a second, chat. Nine minutes for closure. Nine minutes. Still melting. Still melting. Right. Probably gonna see this the next candle, chat, but man, I don't wanna touch, don't wanna participate on this move already. We move already. No bottom wick on the 30. Closure. Yep. Still pushing down. Crazy. Crazy. Right, we breaking the low once again here. Pop down. Pop down. Pop down. Feel cash. Right, re-break there. Pretty go. Re-break. Ding. 1 hour about to close. Crazy. I don't want to be aggressive today, Cha. I don't wanna be aggressive today. So I'm gonna follow my bias today. No aggressive. I don't like the candle move for buys. Let's see, where is the wick that we can reject here? Probably here. Yeah. Probably this wick. Probably can reject and react on that. Yeah. Same here. Mm. Yeah, we're pushing down. So once you top here, I'm gonna take some buys probably here, but low risk. Right? Let's see some rejection here. Yeah, I'm not doing buy limit, I'm doing execution on the MT5. Let's see, but I'm doing low risk here. Once you top. 3215.5. Three, 2, 1, 5, 4, 5. For some liquidity rejection. All right, buying here, chat. Buying here now. Low risk. Oh, slip. Man, the entry is up here. It tapped then. Tap then push up. Should be 20 pips up already. But it's fine. 1 hour closure here. Stop loss probably below the structure. 5 minutes structure. Where's the 15? Yeah. Here. Level here. I see 12 pips but didn't close. Can you push up? This low risk for me, chat. Alright, I'm just gonna check this rejection zone, how this react. Alright, moving stops to break even. Now this is risk free here. We pick 12 pips. Oh, stop out. Break even hit, chat, for me. So yeah, that's the trade, man. Break even hit on this trade. Gain. But that's fine. We pick 12 break even hit on the first of the month. We good, we good. But if you're still on the trade, you're good here. You're probably gonna pop out here towards to the upside here. This is good rejection entries. Good rejection entries here, chat. For me, break even hit 0, 0. So 05 01 2025. 2 p.m. London gold buys on the liquidity graph. Liquidity or rejection week. Liquidity graph. Probably gonna change the name of the setup. I just want rejection week. Rejection week. Holy man. Bye bye gold. 22, 25 pip up, chat. Yeah, W goes early and quickly. Yeah, W. We're probably gonna push up here. But I picked 12, but hit na BE very fast in 1 minute candle. Probably that's the trade. Retest here. Probably gonna change the name. I wanna change the name. Rejection week. Rejection week setup. rejection wicks. Yeah, this called rejection wicks. Right, chat? Good name, right? Good name. Yeah, week entry here. As 15 minute, right? 15 minute and half rest. So yeah. Stream record 2BE. So yeah, Chad, that's the trade, man. 23 pip pick. So yeah, can't complain there, man. Can't complain there. So, sell lang ako. Coach B lang. Once resistance form, good for, yeah, once support form is good for buying probably, but you need to wait for some structure. So that support form like this is gonna be the faked out to push down further, right? So right now, as you can see in the 15 minutes time frame, there's no retracement. So you're gonna wait for some support form. So once support form is been formed, this is gonna be the 50-50 probability that the next candle push up, because we move towards to the downside here, right? We move towards to the downside. This is probably the retracement to push down further, because as you can see in the 30 minutes time frame is how many candles? Just 3 candles are forming, right? So retrace probably, and then the next candle will push down. So the 30 minutes is gonna look like this, right? So that's, you're gonna add up the time frame correlation, right? Like this. So now it's gonna look like this, right? On the 30 minutes time frame, the 4-hour push down further. So yeah, wholesale lang ako, Coach B lang. Yeah. If I got the trades here, man, I got 48 pip, probably got some does, but I took the trades up here. You know, once I got I pressed the buy, the price go up to here 3218. Solid rejection 3215. Yep, Jack cannot complain. So yeah, man, my timer is up. Gonna see you guys tomorrow. So we got some trades there, BE day. So for me, if you want to take buy, wait for some structure forming here. Some structure first, right? Or trade against the trend here like this. Once you see closure, this is gonna be good for buying up, all right? This is gonna be good for buying up once you see like this closure, and then wait for some resistance form here. So you have support now, right? So you have support. Once you see this closure, your support is here. You have resistance now. You're inside the range. Now you're gonna wait for some bullish closure above the range. Once you see that and you close above resistance, now you're good for buying up. So you just need to see some structure same like this for buying up. For selling, you need to wait for some resistance form. So once you see resistance form, you're good for selling down, because you have trend, bearish trend. We have move of selling. So you're gonna wait for some new resistance form for selling down. All right. So yeah, for me, I'm gonna come back maybe 5:30 p.m. on the NY. So now I'm not gonna participate here on the move. All right, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. Thank you for your time today. Love and wisdom to all of you guys. I believe you got some W's today, W this week. See you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. I'm out here, chat. Peace, peace, peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious.
Yeah, spam some W's in the chat, man. W's all the way out, man. W's all the way out.
You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey.
This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one.
Did you realize that you were a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Like this.